So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna give you free 20 plus most viral text animation in After Effects. So without wasting any more time, let me show you the preview. I hope you will see the preview. So let's see how to use it. So first of all, download the project file from the description on this video and open it. Then select the pre-comp you want to the change and double click on it and select the text layer to the change the text. And adjust the line shape layer and how to use glitch text animation. So select the text, first text layer and typing your text. Then select the shape layer and adjust your shape according to your text. So this way you can replace the old text. If you want this project file, then please cross 10k views on this video and I will add the project file link in the description, and I hope you will complete it soon. So thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next video.